Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's April 20th, 2026. I'm up here by our healed in bed, up higher on the property here, a bit closer to Pond 2. And one of my goals this afternoon is to dig up some of our bare root trees and bushes. We got different oak trees, some tupelo, and some hazelnut bushes here. So I want to dig those up. The soil has settled in here, so I built this bed in a big gravel area here a couple years ago, and the soil has settled some and there's weeds in there. So what I want to do is dig them up so we can see what we got for sales, and potentially come up here and start adding some more of our finished soil amendment on top of here. So those are my thoughts. We'll see how much I can get done. I'm pretty sore. I used the green machine earlier today, and I did some mulching. Started to get stuck in one spot, really wet and all. But yeah, I want to see what I can get accomplished today. So here we go.
Every line I pen, every melody is a piece of my soul, a part of me. The things I've seen, the life I've led, the dreams I've chased, the tears I've shed. Each word I write is a story told of lessons learned and hearts made bold. In every note my heart takes flight. Through every song I find my light. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings, to tell the tales of joy and pain, of dancing in the summer rain. Each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. Through the highs and lows, the twists of fate, the moments small, the moments great. In every rhythm, in every rhyme, I capture fragments of my time. The laughter shared, the nights alone, the strength I've found, the love I've known. In melodies my heart is free to share the truth of what I see. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings, to tell the tales of joy and pain, of dancing in the summer rain. Each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. It's more than just a simple tune. It's a way to touch the moon, to reach across the miles and years and whisper hope into your ears. Being able to write and share is a gift beyond compare. Through every song I give a part of my own soul, my beating heart. So when you listen, know it's true. Each song I write is meant for you, a testament to life's embrace, a melody to find your place. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings. the summer rain, each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. In every note, in every line, I give you all the heart of mine. And as you listen, feel it too. That's why I write these songs I do.
Well, I'm a little pooped out right now digging these up. So these were all ones, everything in here except for the hazelnuts needed to come out last year, but after the building collapsed, well, this just didn't get done, and as a result we got lots of weeds growing in here. I didn't get those up and out of there, and I got as far as I can go today. I'm just pooped out. So I have a whole bunch more white oaks right in here. I think they're all white oaks except for some more tupellos up here. I see we got a few tupellos. So this is one, this is one, this is one. 1, 2, 3, 4 tupellos that I can see. There's probably a couple more. But when you see these oaks, this size here, so these are like 3 years old, and some of their roots are down there 3 feet, and that's the depth of the fill that I put in here for growing everything. And man, I'll tell you, some of those roots are just snapping off. They'll still be fine. I've transplanted them before that have been like this. They could get potted up if there's a question about it. But I got quite a few plants out of here. So I got quite a few of the plants out of here, the trees out of here. There's a volunteer red maple right there. And so pretty happy with that. I did get quite a few swamp white oak as well. So there's a bunch of swamp white oak in here. One little red maple here. Other oaks right in here. These are monsters. And then we got the hybrid hazelnuts here as well, all bundled up bunches there. But that's pretty good for today. Anyways, so that's it for today's video, folks. Hope you found something of value. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Stay safe, take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye now.